Hi everybody, it's Nadia here and I'm bringing to you a few products that are new or I showed last year when I brought them, but I've never brought them to you. This way I thought I'll come have a little get ready session with you. The products I've already got on my face is because they're in my project pan, and I'm also retesting out the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate to see how I like that. So the first thing from you guys is welcome. If you're new to this channel, would love for you to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell, and also if you'd like to tap the like button, I'd much appreciate it. So I've got a few new products here that are new and I was like, why not? Some I bought these on Black Friday, some I brought when they were released, some were from, like I said, previous videos, but I just wanted to come and do a look with you guys. I have got my base on, I put my contour stick on, which is the HOOLA one, and then I've got the Hourglass, the ambient light. So that's the package. So catching up with what my daughter's been going through. She'd been back in hospital twice now. It's really hard. We did think it was one thing and it wasn't, it was something else. Here we've got the ambient palette. I'm hoping that I can use this as a bronzer. She's been a lot better, but they've got her on medication now for a lot of it, which is really good. It's that thing, it takes time. They're still waiting to do another test on her. Everything came back sort of inconclusive. With that, it's really hard to get in this pan, and I'm using like a thin brush so that I can get in there. So yeah, they haven't done anything. We're still waiting for a hospital letter. I think actually that's come through today. But everything takes time, and I know we get it free, and I love that fact that we don't have to pay for NHS. But you know, sometimes it takes so long. It's a lot to wait for things to happen. But they will. So, and my other daughter who had the endometriosis taken out of her, she's not bad, but she's not brilliant either. Again, you know, it's not cured it. She's still getting pain, but not as bad as what it was, which I'm thankful for, but she's still in pain. So for blush, I think I'm just going to try put these two together, like so, and see, starting at the back and working my way to the front so that I don't put too much on. So yeah, it's just, what do you describe it as? Just everything's like smoothly going along, not going along. Oh, that's gorgeous. Definitely want some darker bronzer. Definitely needs a, oh, might mesh together. So this is the Hourglass. I like it. I like Hourglass anyway. That's nice. This one is the DIOR Nude Luminizer. That's the outside package, guys, and then it's in a nice case. I did say at the time I was bummed because it's clear on the back. Yeah, apart from the heart that's been swatched, haven't touched it. So I'm going to use just like, it's pink. That's very subtle. Have a look on this side. I think with this is more of a topper shade. It's nice, but not what I wanted. It is nice though. Let me get an highlighter out that. I'm going to put the Laura Mercier one on as well. That's what I wanted. Nice little pop. Oh, that's nice. Down the bridge of my nose. On my nose. Cupid's bow. Bit across my forehead. So the next thing that I'm trying is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting spray. And I just really want to just lock in the moisture, lock in the powder. Not that it feels ever, nothing feels ever. I've just got cat ears all over me. So this is how it comes. I brought this way back. I think I might have done a video with this, but I've never used it. Test out the mist first. There you go. That mist is awful, really is, and it smells not nice at all. So I've got 3 new lipsticks, or 2 new lipsticks and a gloss to try. So I've got this one from Lancome, a BUXOM red, and then I've got the High Shine from there. So one of these will be used. Try them on. So this is the Lancome. So this is a gloss. That's nice and comfortable. I do like that actually. I just want an idea of what I can do. So I'm going to try this BUXOM one next. So that's a red. It's nice. And again, it's a matte, but it's not drying down to matte formula. And then I'm going in with the Urban Decay High Shine and see what this is like. So again, this is a nice pale colour, but it's got that peppermint to it. I'm going to leave that on. It's a nice gloss to start off with. Yeah, and see which one I end up with when I've actually done my eyeshadow palette. This is the Conspiracy palette, as everybody knows. You know, you can't miss it. I'm not going to do swatches, guys, because this has been out for a while and again, never used it. If people want more look from this, then just let us know in the comments down below, because I would happily do that. Oh, the freshness. So they're the colours. I'm going to take the Urban Decay primer for my eyes. So I think starting off I'm going in with My Pills, which is this light pink colour. There is Fallout, which probably everybody knows. I wasn't expecting it to be that dark. It looks a lot lighter in the pan. So I'm just going to do the same on this side. It's not skipping on the primer, but it's tugging, so I feel like my eye's being pulled. And this is why sometimes I like to set down my primer base, for that reason alone. So then I'm going to go into this light brown here, same brush, and just do exactly the same, because I didn't want it to pinky. And for as far as my health concerned, still a mess, still the same. Still haven't been to the doctors to get B12, which I should have had done in December. So I'm sleeping more now than ever. And, you know, I did. Last night was about 18 hours sleep. Woke up for a couple of hours and then went straight back to sleep. I was that shattered. I just had to. Then I'm going to take Root Beer, which is this brown one here, and again just put this on the outer part of my eye, and I'm just packing it for the time being, and then just blending it slightly up. So they've asked me to also go for a, what do you call it, diabetes test. That's fine, but I know you have to fast, which isn't a problem for me, but you also have to get up really early in the morning, and I struggle. I really do struggle with getting up early in the morning. So going in with the black, and I'm just going to darken slightly, just that I've got a dot on the end. That's pigmented. go back in with the same brush to blend. Yeah, that's what I want. Sorry about that if you didn't see it, it cut off. So just dabbing into the black again on this side, and I just put like a little smash of the black, and then just went back in with the brown one and just blended it just to deepen it out. You really don't need a lot of this black. Do you know what, in all of the makeup looks I've done, I've never actually touched a black. This is the first time. I can't remember who I watched, but they were like, you don't have to go in heavy-handed, just put a couple of dots on. And that's what I got. Then I'm going to seek Sleep Paralysis, which is this darkest silverish colour. Just pat that on there. Yeah, like that. Then on the inner part of my eyes, I think I'm going to go in with Diet Root Beer, but I'm going to use my finger, which is the silver. And then I'm going to go into Ranch, which is the white, and put that on my brow arch. Oh, okay, I wasn't expecting that. Then going back in with the lightest brown that I started with, I'm just going to run that under my lash line. Then with a smudger brush, I'm going to go in with Diet Root Beer again, and just as close to my lash line as possible. Then on my inner corner, I'm going to put Ranch again. I like it with the red, but see what it looks like with the Urban Decay on top. Yeah, it's made it more berry red, but I do like that. That looks nice. So I've got, once I put my mascara on and everything, I'll come back with my thoughts on everything that I've used, and I'll see you in a minute. So guys, I'm back with this finished look. I've just put some mascara on, and I'm just going to do a rundown of the products that I used and whether or not I like them or not. I'm hoping I've not got lipstick all over my teeth, because red shows really badly for that. The first thing is the Ambient Hourglass. Now with this, I want to say, really do like it. Really like the blusher. Bronzer bit, I'm probably not. I'd probably wear the bronzer as a blusher, as like a neutral blusher, because it needs some warmth. But I'm really glad I purchased this. Really glad. So this is a win for me, and I love Hourglass palettes like this. The one that's a bit of a dud for me was the DIOR Skin Nude Luminizer. It would have to be a blusher because it's too dark, so that's what I'd use it for, as a blusher, not a highlighter. But I'm still not mad about it. I just remember next time to go for a white or a champagne colour, because that looks so much better on me. But it's silk smooth, went on nicely. It's DIOR. The thing that I'm not impressed with is Tarte, the Rainforest of the Sea. The mister, you push down and it squirts at you. Then it takes a while for the release to come up. then you press it again. I won't speed up the footage because then you can see you'll have seen what I meant. But nah, this is probably going to my daughter. The Conspiracy palette. I like this, and it is going to stay on my desk, and I'm going to use it more and try different things so that I actually get wear out of palettes, because that seems to be my downfall at the minute. So I will actually be probably coming back with more looks like with this in the future. So the lipsticks that I use, I like this red, but not with this eye. I love the BUXOM formula, so I'm not knocking that. It's really nice. It's really matte but flexible on your lips, you know. It's just really nice, but it makes your teeth look yellow. The Urban Decay gloss, I like this, I just don't like the taste of it. And people are going to say, well, why are you eating it? No, what I mean by, you can taste it on your, when it's on your lips, it sort of transfers in. But I do like the colour as a general, just throw on. There's not a lot of pigment there, so it's not as bright as that. For me, I can pass on this pink. A regret purchase, but I've got it now, so. And then the Lancome Absolute. Yes, I love these. I really do. I don't know if this is an Absolute one, but I love this Lancome one. It's a beautiful, beautiful colour. You'll be seeing more of this in my videos. So guys, that is a roundup of all the products I've used today, and well, not all of them, all the new products I've used today are in here, and I just think that they're all amazing, apart from the ones that aren't amazing, or I'm going to have to use for a different reason. So I hope you guys enjoyed this testing new makeup, but old, but new, because it is new to me. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give us a thumbs up, would appreciate. And if you want to leave any comments below, then please do. If you want me to do another look with the Conspiracy palette, doing different looks, then I will do. I probably will do anyway, just because it's a nice palette, and I'm just using what I got this year, next year, and the year after. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks. Bye.